This video displays how to use Auto Color Clicker by MURG.com. To get started, click on Add Colors from Screen Area and select the screen area containing the colors you want the software to detect. You can view or edit selected colors, or even remove all the colors selected. In this demonstration, let's detect Command Prompt window by clicking on Add Colors from Screen Area. Now let's select the screen area in which Command Prompt window is expected to appear. Now press on Start/Stop button and let the Auto Color Clicker search for selected colors in selected screen area. You can configure the available parameters as required. You can also use OCR feature to view the text in selected screen area.
Searching. Color found.
You can drag the Auto Color Clicker window using mouse, as can be done by dragging title bar of the application window. Other features of the software can be explored by right-clicking on the main software window or by using menu at the top. You can download free trial of Auto Color Clicker by MURG.com from the website named autocolorclicker.com. This software can detect screen colors for configured duration and perform actions like clicking Color Found, execute an application, or even sound audible alert and can speak text.